If you need to cancel a pending Bitcoin withdrawal on Binance, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or mobile app. Make sure you are using the correct account linked to the pending withdrawal. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, go to the wallet section, which is typically found in the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds and view all transactions. Step 3. Select withdrawal history. In the wallet section, look for transaction history or withdrawal history. Click on this option to view all your recent withdrawals, including any that are still pending. Step 4. Find the pending withdrawal. Scroll through your withdrawal history to locate the specific Bitcoin withdrawal that you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending or similar. Step 5. Cancel a withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your pending Bitcoin withdrawal should be cancelled, and the funds will return to your Binance wallet. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance customer support for further assistance.